Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A5 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on language and region and tap on edit. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and then tap on it. I will choose Greek, and your device will ask you if you want to really change the default system language, so just mark yes, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you are here in this section and you've got more than one languages added, you can quickly change them by reordering them. So let's simply tap on the language and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Tap on confirm or yes or change, and as you can see the language will be immediately changed. If you want, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and tap on this minus icon next to the language, and after getting back you can see that you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.